like to see a fantastic van review, you've come to the right place. You will not believe how much things we've got in this van. Like this.
It's a bit cold. Why are you
And we're
here?
using shore power at the moment.
Yes. Okay. Go on.
All of this. So let me show you what we've done. 3 Rhino rack strips which hold a 200 Renology solar panel, ensuite and toilet with a built-in floor. And on the other side of the van, we have a Bushwhacker 270. So let's have a look inside. This is the back of our second door. As you can see, it is almost like Tetris. On the back of the fridge, we have got extra cable for our solar panels of the other 600 watt solar panels. We have an axe. And we have our water pump switch. Transporting, we take our coffee machine, which is on a board which is mounted, and underneath it is our sink. Spare bucket and our hot water system for our showers. We have a kick-ass travel oven, safe, extra adapters for the Lwb system. This is a 40-litre water tank. I've modified the cap, connected up to a hose, which is then connected to our water filter system. I've done an outlet water or air pipe so that when filling up it will be able to go straight outside without any damage to the inside. We have our water hose here and a 2-litre collapsible ladder. Couple of shoes, pairs of shoes that will always stay in the van. We have more fresh water. Water pump, and of course our sink. A very tight squeeze, but this is where we keep our dishwashing liquid, hand soap and gloves and cleaning utensils. This is our brains of, or the heart of our power system. It is a Lwb AC 200 Max. At the moment it's kicking out 36 watts, obviously for the fridge, but it's 100% charged. Our 200 watt solar panel usually just uses as a trickle charge, but we do have 12 volt, 10 amp. We have a USB-C, USB-A's, and we have 4 power units or 240 plugs. Then this cable with the 12 volt 30 amp cable gets connected to our fuse box and runs our fridge and every other light inside the van. this is how we pack it while we go away. We have our Old Man Emu chairs, which I highly recommend, as they have little tables on the side. They fold down really small, and this is the small little area that we have in the back of the van. I then have 3 200 watt all power solar panels, 18 volt 200 watts. Our fly and mosquito netting is from Living in a Bubble, which stays here. In this little gap over here we have Indy's bed and our table. And then I have Indy's harness, which has been bolted down and comes up onto her harness and clipped on, so she's pretty safe while she's lying on the bed.
Okay, good.
In the corner I have a 240 watt plugs, and I have a ARB inboard air compressor. Leanne and I have both got drawers, sliding drawers, where all our clothing stays while we're away. These are not actually cushions. Inside is all our jackets and things that we don't really use, or it's too big to go into our drawers for all our clothes. I have put cargo mesh, so extra cables, a bit of a mirror, or our remotes that we can use. In this corner we have a Sirocco fan. And in the other side of the corner we have a closed circuit TV camera that will monitor everything in the van. And on the other side we also have a Sirocco fan that we leave running for when we drive, so that it's a little bit of fresh air for Indy as well. This is our miscellaneous cupboard. At the moment obviously it's empty, but we have our first aid kit, blood pressure monitor, as I'm a nurse, and bits and pieces so we can always get hold of it during the night. These cushions and pillows do not stay there. They are usually put onto this side, and our feet are over here. And we have over here a little light which can bring up or down or switch it off. One of our favorite features when it's pouring down with rain: remote, and we can watch a movie, Netflix. We also have our hats hanging up, where I've just used net curtain cabling. When we are at a caravan park and we want to make use of their power, I connect it to this. And that at the end of the day will be able to be used for the coffee machine, for the microwave, or the kettle that we make use of. We have a smoke detector, and over here is a little button. You can switch on the lights. If you press it, it goes brighter, and if you press it again, it dims, or press it again and it switches it off. We also have a fire extinguisher. Presently this cupboard is where my tools are, but we will be adding a diesel heater to it eventually. And as you can see over here, this is the last part of my 40-litre tank that I showed you earlier. Main entrance, we have a muck mat that we will put over here, and over here we have a light, which is automatic sensor. As soon as you move, the light comes on and off.
So full. Oh, look, my Zymul.
What a waste of space. Here's our microwave, coffee machine, and our max fan. A Kamak microwave, but inside we keep all our collapsible containers for the fridge. Underneath the bed we have some extra toilet paper, toilet, and over here we have the another power Lwb power system, which I will do later on. And over there in the corner is where our fire pit is. We also did make curtains that go all the way around, as you can see on the curtain rail over there. But we do keep them still as blockouts. But now we use a system called solar screen, which is cool in summer, warm in winter, privacy and UV protection. So easy to just put up. It's a curtain rail, and we have the choice of curtains and netting as well. And that is a touch light, which will come on or touch it, and it will just use as a dimmer as well. Our cupboards or drawers, we have our induction cooker, spare pots, and just in case we have a gas stove as well. We went a little bit more with 3 rails because we wanted to have that extra space and be able to make use of everything. And this is where all our food is stored. We hope that you have managed to get a few ideas of your own van build. There are episodes below of things I've done. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Cheers guys.